Once upon a time, Earth wasn't just home to one human species, it was home to many. Among them were three that mattered the most: Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthalensis, and Homo floresiensis. But today, only we remain. So, what happened to the others? This is the story of how humanity became a team of one. Around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens evolved in Africa, but we weren't alone. The Neanderthals roamed Europe and parts of Asia, and far away, on a tiny island called Flores in Indonesia, lived the hobbits, Homo floresiensis, a small and mysterious cousin. Each species adapted to their environment, developed tools, fire, even art. We all shared a common ancestor, but our futures would be very, very different. So, around 70,000 years ago, Homo sapiens began their great migration out of Africa, and that's when the meetings began, and the mingling. You know, we didn't just fight, we loved, we shared, we competed, and yeah, we mixed. These days, if you have European or Asian ancestry, about 1 to 2% of your DNA is Neanderthal. It's kind of a living memory of an ancient encounter. Between 50,000 and 30,000 years ago, Neanderthals began disappearing. Floresiensis vanished even earlier. Why? Climate change, competition for food, diseases, and maybe even violent conflict. All of these could have played a role. Homo sapiens were incredibly adaptable. We had complex language, better tools, and larger social networks. It gave us an edge, and maybe unintentionally pushed others out. Today we're the only human species left, but our ancestors' bloodlines live within us. Understanding their story reminds us we are survivors of a much bigger family, and that diversity, adaptation, and cooperation are why we're still here. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just seeing one species, you're seeing the echoes of many, who walked, lived, dreamed, and loved before you. We are one, but we are many.